Greetings, alchemists. In this guide, I will show you the basics on how to use Tradingview. This is a guide on how to use the program and not how to use the indicators itself. First, go to tradingview.com. It's free to use, and to get more features you need to buy premium, but for the most we can use the free version. Create an account. Download the desktop application. It's recommended. This is how the desktop application looks like. Here we see the chart of a specific token. We are able to use many different features as well, which I will show you. On the right-hand side, we see the price of the token. And in the bottom, we see the specific dates and times of the token. Let's go to the top bar to search for a token. Click the name, then we are able to see crypto, stocks, and other charts. Let's use crypto. Simply search for the token. Make sure to pick a token with Tether behind it since we are in crypto. The short name is USDT. To adjust the time frame, click this button in the top and choose the desired time frame. To adjust further, drag the right-hand side and scroll up and down with the mouse. To see how the chart compares to another one, click the plus button in the top and choose another one. Whenever we add an indicator to the chart, it will be shown here on the left-hand side. We can hide it, adjust the settings, and also remove from this menu. Click on the candles in the top to change them. There are many different options to choose from. To add an indicator, press this button. Search for the indicator and click it. Click on the clock to add an alert. Simply fill in the desired information and press Create Alert. In the menu on the left-hand side, we find a lot of tools to use. Press this one to change the layout of the mouse pointer. If we want to draw a line, for example, use this section. To adjust or remove it, use the menu in the top. Use the next section to find different patterns to use in the chart. Use the next one to find projections, and here we also find indicators that targets volume, which can be very useful. These ads will show up. If you're using the free version, simply delete them to continue. The alert we set have activated, which we see in the bottom left corner. It should also alert in the computer operating system if enabled as well. Explore the next sections to find more, such as the Fibonacci tools, which can be very helpful. On the right-hand side, we are able to create lists. Click this button to create and manage them. Click Add Symbol to add tokens, search, and then click the plus button. Click on the clock to see and manage alerts. Click on the next one to find more information about the current chart. Click the light bulb to write down notes about the charts. Click the chat icon to see what social media says about the current token. Click the next one to get news. Click the next one to view lists of tokens and companies. Adjust to your desired settings. This can be useful for keeping track of stocks and crypto. Adjust from stock screener to crypto in the top. Click the next one to find important news that are date related. Down here we can see a list of different stocks and crypto. Simply adjust to your needs. For crypto, change from stock screener to crypto. Click on this button to find the latest news about the current token if it is available. To open up another chart, click New tab. In the top right-hand corner, we can take snapshots of the chart to share, do a quick search, enter full screen mode, and adjust the settings of the chart. The standard settings usually works just fine. Alchemists, now you know the basics of TradingView. See you soon again, /Cryptonite.